In this IJ Apps tutorial, you'll learn how to create alternate layout files for certain screen sizes. For example, I have two virtual devices over here, a Nexus 10 tablet with a 10-inch screen, and a smaller Pixel 3a over here. They both have the same app loaded on them, and they're both displaying the same activity, the main activity, but the main activity for the larger tablet on the left is displaying a text tree that says large size layout, while the Pixel 3a has a text tree displaying regular size layout. So in this tutorial, you'll learn how to create alternate layout files for different screen sizes. Let's get started with a bare bones app that just has one activity main.xml with a text tree that says regular size layout in the center of the screen. I'm going to go ahead and run this on both devices to demonstrate that they both have the same layout as of right now. So I have the Pixel 3a and I have the Nexus 10, and they both have the same layout that they're displaying. Now, if I wanted to display a different layout for larger screen sizes, like this tablet that I have over here, I would come over to Android Studio, and we're going to copy this layout folder over here, and do Control V again, paste it. This time, we're going to give it the name layout-large. And this basically tells Android Studio that whatever files are going to be in this directory, these are files intended for the layouts for larger screen devices, like our 10-inch tablet. So I'll go ahead and press OK, and now you can see over here we have large/activity main.xml. This is going to be the layout for our larger tablet. So I'll go ahead and change the regular to large, and you can see that in our regular original layout activity main.xml, it still says regular size layout. So we have one for the large one and another for the regular. And now I'll run the app on both devices, and you'll see that the smaller pixel displays this layout over here, while the larger pixel displays this layout over here. And they're both showing the main activity that we have over here. And now with the apps launched, you can see that the larger 10-inch tablet has the layout that we created underneath the large folder, and the smaller pixel has the regular size layout from our regular activity main.xml. If we head on over to the Android developer documentation, we can take a look at the different screen sizes for which we can create layouts. There's small, normal, large, which is what we used, and extra large as well. And there's also information for each of these different screen sizes available at this link. So that's all for this Android Studio tutorial from IJ Apps. If you found it useful, please make sure to subscribe to get notifications when new tutorials come out. And until then, happy developing.